3 powerful social media ChatGPT prompts. Let's go over to the documents, the description. That's the ChatGPT prompts. You can see it's free. All you have to do is just download it and all. So there are basically the 3 prompts. The first one is the peace framework. So all you have to do is just copy the first one, the peace framework, and go over to ChatGPT. If you're an expert already on using ChatGPT, then just go ahead and start using the prompt. Let's go over here and you can click on paste. Just this single prompt gives you a complete social media content structure for your brand or for your clients, and so on and so forth. So you can see very detailed. You can take each one of them and also run them and see more details that you have, how to decide on metrics to track and measure the success of my social media campaigns. So it will give you details about each one of these. So let's try the next prompt. So the next prompt is the hero prompt. So just copy this and then go over to ChatGPT and you paste. So we're going to use the same water. Copy this, paste. Then we train and sell. Yes, train and sell this to adults and this. So just copy. This could be anything based on your brand's needs or the brand you're doing social media for. So let's just click on this. See. So the hero strategy is based on human, emotional, remarkable, and offer. So under human, it's saying you should share stories and behind the scene content that showcase the brand, the people behind the Dash Water brand, such as founders, employees, and local partners. Yeah, so if you're into social media management, this is for you. Yes. So remarkable, share unique and interesting facts about the purity and quality of Dash Water, such as its natural filtration process or mineral content, so on and so forth. Gives a lot. Share exclusive discounts and promotions. Use a clear and concise call to action. Highlight the convenience and benefits of subscribing to Dash Water delivery services to businesses. So overall, the hero framework can help you create social media content that's relatable. So this is super awesome, super powerful. It's going to help you create crazy brand social media content structures for whatever brand. Maybe you're managing the brand for someone, or maybe your own brand itself. So finally, let's look at the third strategy now. Finally, let's look at the third framework. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to bell notification so by each time I post a video like this every single day. And also don't forget to like this video and share it as what you want. GPT, paste it. Now we use the same information, so just copy this dude over here, copy, and then we paste it here. Then we sell this, and so on and so forth. Paste. So the HESEX structure has to do with, make sure you grab a copy of the free ChatGPT prompts, and I believe it's going to help you in your social media journey and so on, even if you're managing for someone or for your own social media accounts. So that's it, guys, on this video. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and God bless.